This men's Cuervo y Sobrinos Robusto Solo Tiempo 1882 is a new luxury watch with a sleek and elegant style all its own. Perfect for a night out on the town, or for letting you know how much longer you still need to sit in that board meeting. This is a fashionable and charming horological work featuring a case constructed from stainless steel with a skeleton window and back that will give you a view of the magnificent movement. This striking watch features a bracelet made of stainless steel, which uses a butterfly clasp and will fit a wrist up to 8 inches. An automatic movement powers the black dial with luminescent steel-toned hour and minute hands, along with the subsidiary seconds at the center of the dial, and the date window next to 3 o'clock, rounding out this truly sophisticated and stylish fine piece of timekeeping art. "300 watches. Infinite possibilities."